Hello everyone. Today is 24 September 2021 and our today's topic is access modifiers. Before discussing the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sagar Patil. I have done my mechanical engineering from Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon, and I am from Nandurbar. So what is access modifiers? There are mainly two types of access modifier. First is access modifier and second is non-access modifier. So what is access modifier? Access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of field, constructor, method, or class. We can change the access level of field, constructor, class, and method by applying access modifier to it. So there are mainly four types of access modifiers. First is private, second is protected, third is public, and fourth is default. So what is private modifier? So private access modifier is the access modifier which is used to uh, give a name to method. So if we use a private access modifier, uh, we we can only access the method or class within the class, and we cannot access the class from outside the class. Second is protected. Protected access modifier is the modifier. If we use protected modifier, then we can access the class, method, field, or constructor within the package, and we do not access the public. We can do not access the field, constructor, method, or class from outside the package. We can only access the uh, access the class methods in class if we have defined a child class in it. So uh, third is default. Default is used to access the method, fields, constructor, or class within the package, and we do not access them from outside the package. Default is same as protected. It is used to access the class from outside the package if we declare a parent class in it or child class in it. So fourth is public. Public access modifier is accessible from outside the package, from outside the class, in within the class, or in within the package. So let us see the examples of these modifiers. If we declare any private method, so we can only access that method in that class, and we do not access this method from outside the class or outside the package. Uh, so discussing the next example of protected class. If we use or define a class or method protected, then we can only access that method or class in within the package, and we do not access that method or class from outside the package. Third is public. Discussing the example of public, if we define any method or class, a public class or method, then we can access those methods or class from outside the package or within the package, or outside the class or within the class. So the next is non-access modifiers. The non-access modifiers are user-defined methods or modifiers. These are abstract, volatile, uh, synchronized, and static, etc. These are defined by the user or a programmer, and we can use them in a only in a class, and we do not use them from outside the class.